In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to underline text in the Microsoft PowerPoint application. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is highlight over whatever text you want to italicize. And then the little menu that appears, you can select the little underline icon with a little U with a line under it. You can also achieve this by selecting the Control and U key combination on your keyboard at the same time. You can also access this menu going up to the Home tab and then selecting the same icon up here underneath the font and font size selections here. And that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.